Okay, y'all, we're about to do my very first mukbang. So I'm going to the cookout, and I'm dressing to represent what my dudes just taste better darn gone t-shirt, honey. But anyways, I'm going to the cookout, and I got my darn gone list, honey, because I'm about to stock up. I'm about to get like a dozen items to eat in front of y'all on camera, which just seems weird. I'm not the, gluttony type of girl, even though I eat quite a bit, but not in front of people, but even though it's virtual, but. Okay, I go down the next street then. But yeah, we headed to the Ramsey Street Cookout, y'all. So I'm gonna take y'all there with me. Hopefully it's not a long. Oh, it's 5:20. Yes, child. We might be waiting in the line for a minute, honey. I hate when my notifications come in and they just pop up on the dang on screen. And just wait right good until I get right behind the wheel. And then I got to be careful because when I slide down, I can accidentally hit the exit button and stop the recording. Okay, you turning in. And my jury actually came earlier than expected. Like, I wasn't expecting it to come until sometime next week. I told y'all I signed up for my jewelers club. Well, if y'all not following me on Instagram, then y'all be out the loop. But I opened up an account with my jewelers club. They approved me for the maximum of $5,000. And yeah, that has now boosted my overall credit score to $11,000. But I had to purchase a couple items of jewelry, at least $100 more. So I got me a good old garnet necklace, and I got me a watch. And that came up to, I want to say, like $160-some. And then of course the membership is $99. I'm sorry, y'all, that I'm turned on the side. I correct it later on. But I'm driving, and this car is right up behind me, so I can't, shift my camera straight. But yeah, it costs $99 to join, and then you pick $100 worth of jewelry. And then you put 50% of it down, and then you pay the other bit off over time. So I got $60 financed. And my available credit off of them is, so my available credit is $4,900 some odd dollars. So $4,900 and I want to say $36. And then I've been racking up on my other card though, but in a good way. Like I said, I definitely needed some insurance, especially about to finally start this transitioning at the top of 2020. Also, I need several medical corrective procedures as well. So I definitely needed to get some insurance set up. So that cost me $200. Because I had to pay $128 for the plan that starts January, and then they gave me one for $79 for this month in December. And of course, y'all know that's through the Affordable Care Act. They hooked the girl up with some subsidies, which I might have to end up paying it back which I know I'm going to make over $50,000 next year. We're going to speak it into existence. Let me get over from this cyclist. I don't want it on my conscience that I done ran down a cyclist, honey. But yeah. Only catch-22 is, as soon as I hit over 50,000, I would end up having to pay all of it back. So maybe once I get up to like 40-some thousand in income, I can just go ahead and switch. They'll let me switch my insurance out, even though it's non-open enrollment season due to that reason. So hopefully they'll let me switch it out, and I won't have to worry about that hoopla at the, you know, the beginning of 2022. Or here comes the conundrum, if, you know, I'm not able to switch it out, they'll charge me all at once, then I have to pay it, and then I think I will have to submit a request for that to be then reimbursed back to me, because being self-employed, technically all my insurance supposed to be a write-off. So if at the end of the year I get billed for that difference and then I pay it, they got to turn around, I think, and send it right back to me, which is weird. Once again, I converse with the accountant over it. Yeah, y'all, we in this darn gone 5 o'clock traffic, honey. Hopefully it doesn't be crowded at this darn gone cookout. House search. If you follow me on Instagram, y'all notice that I seen 2 houses only online, and they got snatched up within hours. So even with my driver's license back, honey, I and Jasmine, I did what you said by the time I did the second one. Before I even posted, I even aren't gonna put in a request to apply. Honey, didn't even get that far. Somebody took that house. I know that, but I thought it was too good to be true, honey. I said, a 3-bedroom darn on house for $500, and it was looking decent. It wasn't no slump. And the only downside is it was off a major highway, but hell, I could deal with that. And it was a brick house too, so I know it had some darn on. You know, you wasn't going to hear the sound of the trucks and stuff like that. Too tough. So I didn't mind that it was off the darn on, directly off the highway. $500 a month, carport and everything. Hot darn. So, oh, big. Slow the F down and they're gonna zip through the light, then give me time to zip through the shit. It's like, here you know, purposely darn going medium speed to purposely stop me. Oh, I can't stand inconsiderate drivers. And then we in the midst of this 5 o'clock rush. Alright, everybody making a U-turn at this darn on Law Road. Okay, it's a couple people going down the street. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of darn on 14 some cars about to make a U-turn. But I'm about to make this left right here. Oh, it ain't no line, baby. It ain't no line. Honey, the only long line is these darn gone geese that we have. There's about 20 some darn gone geese over here on the side. Oh shoot, but it's about 6 of those cars turning in. Hopefully they ain't going to this cookout. Oh, wait a minute. Are they allowing dine-in again? Because at one point, they wasn't allowing us to dine into the establishment. Unless those are all the employee cars. Those are a lot of employee cars, honey. would be better on me if I can darn gonna walk in. Two cars just zip right on in there. So we got a little bit of a line by the time we get there. Ramsey Street, honey. Child, she mighty bold. At least she out my way. It's about to be, as soon as that darn gone thing get clear, it won't almost turn red on me. Let me see if they allow a darn gone. Let me see. I'm about to see if there's some patrons inside here. Nope. I got to go through the drive-thru, y'all. Yep, it says drive-thru open sign on their doors. Oh, they hiring. Oh, there's 2 lines, honey. So it's 4 cars ahead of me. Okay, that's all y'all getting. They done caught me with the music with the last video. Even though I ain't nowhere near them, but you know, better to be precautious. I know they're gonna hate my ass because I got a long list. Yes. Can I get a cookout tray?
Alright, what you got, please?
On it is the big double burger and the sides hush puppies and French fries.
I'm sorry, what's in that burger?
You say what's on the burger?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me everything.
Everything, would you like to add cheese and bacon?
Yes.
Alright, what was the drink?
Say that again?
What would you like for the drink?
What drinks you offer?
We have both products.
Any lemonade or tea? Huh?
Yes, ma'am, we have pink lemonade and we have tea.
I take pink lemonade.
Alright, anything else for you today?
Yes, a crispy honey mustard wrap.
Alright, okay, what's the wrap? Anything else for you today?
Crispy chicken Cajun wrap. 2 crispy chicken ranch wraps. 2 bacon ranch wraps. And a chicken quesadilla.
That was a Cajun wrap. You said chicken ranch wrap. Okay, what's the wrap?
Yep, 2 crispy chicken ranch wraps, 2 bacon ranch wraps, a crispy honey mustard wrap, crispy chicken Cajun wrap, and a chicken quesadilla.
Alright, anything else for you today?
That's it.
Highway 2038, my pleasure.
Thank you. I told y'all it was going to be a lengthy list. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Glad he know to address me by proper pronouns. He's a little cutie too, honey. But like I pulled up just in time, y'all, because oh God, it's about 8 cars behind us, y'all. Yeah, I pulled up just in the nick of time. So they busy making everything, y'all. Mind you, was 2 cars ahead of me, and then I ordered a dozen items, so. Oh. Wait a minute, did I supposed to pull up to the other one? Oh, I ain't know if I supposed to pull up to the other line or not. Thank you. Everybody else was throwing me off, y'all. Okay. Let's get over here real quick and inspect everything. Make sure they got everything right on my list. So, 2 ranch wraps, 2 bacon ranch wraps, 1 honey mustard wrap, 1 chicken quesadilla. Oh, it seems like they forgot something. Okay, 1 honey mustard wrap, 2 bacon ranch wraps, 1 chicken quesadilla, 1 Cajun wrap, 2 ranch wraps, and then on this one, I got my cookout tray, which is my big double burger, my big double burger with fries and hush puppies. So that's everything, y'all. Let's now go to the house. got the green light. Got the green light. Hey, got the green light. Hey. And speaking of green light, honey, y'all are seeing me in a different shade of red today. The last two videos, honey, I was giving 6-inch heels. I waltz in the club like nobody business. Hot damn. Or D said I was giving the red light special, honey. See, he had to go real old school with it, talking about the red light special. I know it don't go nothing like that, but shit, I'm a 90s babe. I don't know TLC by heart like that. I grew up with the most popular girl group of all time, honey, Destiny's Child. But yeah, I'm not giving red light special nor 6-inch today, baby. I'm in living color, color. I'm in living color, color. Ooh, and this sun just beaming, honey. Beaming, 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 beaming. Beaming down on me. Beaming down on me. I thought that was my former co-worker back there in the back, honey. She looks familiar. Oh no, that's not her. Thought that was one of the Kirby girls, honey. I should have asked if y'all wanted to see it. I don't know if y'all want to see me live doing a mukbang and stuff. And then I don't want to go through that stress of trying to, you know, get everything set up. Shit, by the time I set everything up, my food be damn cold. Unless I go live through the phone. It'll be a very impromptu live stream. Yeah, that's what I think I do. I know. Diva always changing it up last minute. I go live through the phone, y'all. And of course, everybody who's watching this video, y'all seeing it after the fact. Only because Diva don't want to do all this editing. Because this video right here, just going to pick up the food, is already 20-some minutes. And then if I get to the house and get to eating and describing it, because y'all know I'm a Capricorn. So y'all know I'm going to, you know, go into intricate details about everything. Honey, the video going to be well over an hour. So, yeah. And then y'all know I love recording in HD whenever I can. Although for time purposes though, I'm recording in 720 regular HP because I noticed the difference between the processing time of full 1080 versus 720. Oh Lord. Like a half-hour video in 720 takes like maybe an hour at best to process, if that. Depending on if I'm adding in a lot of pictures and stuff, it takes maybe an hour best. Actually, I might be giving it a little bit more time than that. Might be like 40-some minutes. But I know if I do a half hour in 919 by 1080, it is going to take well over the time frame than the recording. Like, it'll take 2.5, 3 hours. I can only imagine how much time it would take if I recorded in 4K. I don't know how those darn on YouTubers be doing it, recording hour-long plus videos in 4K, honey. I mean, I know you got the space and stuff, but it's like, girl, who about to be doing? But see, when you up to that level and you got darn gone editors and Sugar Honey Iced Tea to do stuff for you, you don't got to deal with that stress of having to edit all that. I know I ain't about to be doing all that. It ain't that serious for y'all to see me in 4K. Unless maybe if I'm doing like a beauty tutorial or something. You just taking up the whole street? Yeah, you senor. Giving me the look. My Spanish very limited, so I ain't about to give you too much. Son, you get darn gone cuss me out in Spanish, I wouldn't understand a word you saying. Except maybe every fourth word. Child, I understand we in the neighborhood, but can we go more than 5 miles per hour? And why you got your flashers on? Oh, that's her brakes. She keep darn going pausing so much, I'm thinking it's the darn gone flashes on and off, on and off, on and off. Like I understand we in a neighborhood, but honey, this ain't the artistic neighborhood. And then the common courtesy speed limit is about 15 miles per hour in the neighborhood. I don't expect for you to be flying 40, 50 miles per hour, but darn. Oh, there's Chloe. And there goes Chloe, honey. Like I said, DivaWuan collecting all her coins, baby. Beyonce ain't gave me no Ivy part nor no Cornish, honey. So that's all y'all getting of Chloe and Holly. And on that note, let me get in the house and get ready to sit this darn on thing up on the tripod so we can digest this food.